Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss how to get a family doctor in Ontario even faster. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, in Ontario nowadays, for many families, especially out of main cities, it's a real struggle to find a family doctor. People wait for months or even years, and that's why many people just don't know where to start. And these doctors are very important because they act as gatekeepers for your family health. So I'm going to discuss it's what you can do, and the primary reason for this is like shortage and high demand. Many clinics are full and they just don't accept new patients because they cannot accommodate. But still, there are ways you can try and increase your chances. First of all, register with Healthcare Connect. Now, this is an official program by the government of Ontario called Healthcare Connect. You register and they match you with a doctor accepting new patients. It may take time, but it's a very good official method. Now you can call walk-in clinics and ask if they have family doctor and who's gonna like accept. Many times they don't advertise with a board like accepting new patients, but when you call them or when you visit them, they do. It had happened with me. I used to go to a walk-in clinic, and because I went to that doctor a few times, one day I asked her if she would like to accept me, and she has said yes. And since 11 years, she is my family doctor. Third is like to check Doctor College website. You can check the website of College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario to search for doctors. Then you can call those offices and their receptionist could tell you. Now also check for new clinics opening. Now clinics open, especially if any new plaza is being constructed, there's every possibility that there'll be a clinic. Okay, so try over there. You have very good chances. Okay, and that will help. Now you can also, now I'm telling you a method that you won't find anywhere, that check with pharmacist. Yes, you heard it correct. Sometimes a pharmacist working at a local pharmacy knows much more than any of these methods where exactly doctors are accepting new patients, because that is the guy who is dealing with the prescriptions issued by the doctor. Okay, so you can ask pharmacist, they may be able to help you. Okay, and now when you get the opportunity, never miss. Never miss. Go and register first immediately. So keep your documents and papers ready so that when you get something like this, you never miss. You go and just get it. This is what I want to discuss, guys. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.